Hey, what's up, guys? It's Gus with Kelly Rebuildables, and I haven't been doing that much on the BMW E90. I'm getting off work pretty late, and it's dark by then, so I'm also pretty tired after I get back from work. But there's a thing that I did on the BMW on the black one that you guys haven't seen, and that's the carbon fiber wrapped license plates. So I'm gonna show you guys how I did it. I removed the license plate off the minivan, the front one. So I'm gonna show you guys how I did it. Let me know what you guys think. Just with Kelly Rebuildables. Today we're gonna do carbon fiber license plates. Um, I did them on the BMW already. But I'm gonna show you guys. I took the license plate off of the front of the minivan just to show you guys how to do it. Okay, guys. So this is the license plate, and I'm gonna need some carbon fiber. I already did the one of BMW, so I was trying it to see if it's gonna come out okay before I did it, but it did come out okay, so I'm gonna show you guys right now. Okay, guys, so what I did, I cleaned it off with some rubbing alcohol, then got a piece of the carbon fiber that was left over from the hood of the car. Well, basically you could use any type of vinyl. You could do black vinyl also, so you could do in black and the yellow lettering, so that's pretty cool too. I was gonna do in black first. I'm probably gonna do in black later on, but I want to try with the carbon fiber, and that's what I did. So you're gonna need a piece of carbon fiber and a heat gun. Okay, so I went and got this old blow dryer, a hair dryer. I want to try with this because I know some of you don't have a heat gun, but if you do, a heat gun works a lot better than this. But if you don't, I'm gonna try with this to see if it works. I'm pretty sure it's gonna work, but let me try with this thing. So you just turn it on and let it there for a while, and let this thing in place. I'm in the bottom half now. And it doesn't matter, guys. You could peel it off anytime you want. So there it is. Okay, guys, so this is how it turned out. You can still see some little bubbles. I'm not gonna go further into this because I'm gonna remove it because this is gonna be for the minivan. Like I said, I have them already on my BMW. Okay, so now for the lettering, I'm gonna go back to my vinyl cutter and cut out the letters and numbers on this. So basically it's gonna be the same thing as for any other color. You could do the same thing with different colors. I'm using the carbon fiber with the white vinyl, but you could do black and yellow, those black license plates with the yellow numbers, or you could do black with the red numbers. I mean, you could do whatever you want. I don't know if it's legal though. I've seen a couple cars that way, so I'm gonna do mine. I have them, like I said, on my BMW already for like a month, and I haven't had any problems with it. I've had police behind me on the BMW, and I'm pretty sure they've seen it. Haven't had a problem with them. Probably, if it all depends on the cop. Probably also, I don't think it should be a matter. I don't think that it should be a problem because I have the number there. They're the right numbers. The tags are paid, so they probably run the plates and they see that everything's okay. So, but I don't know. I mean, you can try it if you want. If you don't want to try it, it's really up to you. I'm gonna keep them that way because I like them that way. I'll probably turn them black and yellow back later on, but right now I'm gonna leave them the way they are, carbon fiber with the with the white lettering. So let's get back to the computer. Okay guys, so once again I'm gonna start cutting it and see you guys in a bit. Okay guys, so there we go. Got the letters ready, so I'm gonna remove them one by one and stick it and put them on each number where they go. Okay guys, so this is how they're looking so far. Kind of messed up right here a little bit and right there because it ripped, but you can hardly see it. I'm gonna have to remove it anyways. I'm just showing you this thing. I still gotta put the California right here, and that's it. Okay guys, so this is the last piece of the puzzle. There it is. I was gonna do the other California letters. I was gonna do these ones. See? This is the one on my car. But it's just for, like I said, I'm gonna have to remove it. But this thing will look pretty cool. Check it out. Let me see if I could find a way to hold this there. Okay guys, there it is. What do you guys think? I think they're freaking cool, man. Of course, if it'll be the rear one, you would have to cut out the tag and the month tag that goes right here. But there it is. What do you guys think? Let me know what you guys think. Hey guys, if you would like to buy one of these kits for your license plates, I'll leave the link in the description. Check them out. If you want to buy one, go ahead and do so. It'll come, the kit includes 2 pieces of vinyl to wrap the license plate, 1 pair of your numbers. So on the note to the seller, leave the number and the California letters on top. I have 3 different styles, so check those out. You could either choose style 1, 2, or 3, and that's pretty much it. The kit is for two license plates. So check them out. I could do them in white letters, or yellow letters. So all that you could let me know on the note to the seller once you're gonna buy them. So yeah guys, let's get back to the video. Okay, so here's another example. This is a license plate from my trailer. So I'm gonna remove this one and I'm gonna turn this one black with the yellow lettering. It's gonna be a little bit difficult because it's all scratched and dented and stuff like that. So this is gonna work better with the license plate that is not as smashed as this one, but I'm gonna try it anyways. Okay guys, so this is how it turned out, but keep in mind this, I didn't clean this one too much, and it's all, like I said, dented and all scraped and everything, so all that's gonna show up on the vinyl if you don't clean it really good, or if you don't remove all that gunk and all those dead bugs and stuff like that. All that's gonna show up. So but like I said, it's for the trailer, so I don't really care. So let me put on the yellow letters. Okay guys, so there's the plate with the numbers. You can see the 4 is kind of crooked. This one, the first number, the 4, is crooked. The letters don't fit exactly on the right spot, as you can see. They're moved a hair, but honestly you can't really tell. I'm gonna put the California Perm trailer sign up here on the top. Okay guys, so this is how the black license plates came out. Like I said, the number 4 is crooked, but I don't care. And there it is. I'll leave a link in the description guys, so you can buy some of this vinyl and the lettering that you guys need. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section. There it is guys, installed and everything. So that's it guys. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, leave a comment, and see you guys in the next video.